Alright guys, so it's pretty much the morning after playing football, and I'm not doing much today. I'm just gonna give my dogs a quick shower. They haven't taken a shower in a while. But quick FYI, like I was talking to someone like just now and they're like, yo, what are you doing? I'm like, yo, I'm about to take a break. Take a break from what? And I take a break from work. Oh, I didn't know you worked. Guys, for those of you who have like any questions that you might want to know the answers for, please go into the channel section, go into the Q&A that you'll find under Ibby and J. That's the other channel that me and my girlfriend do. Just check that. Most of the questions that people have to ask, they're there. So yes, it's a 40-minute long video, but the questions have been answered there. So you guys will know like if I'm just sitting here making YouTube videos and making millions. So yeah guys, I'm pretty much outside, but like, you know, I got done playing football at 2. Boy, stop eating my slippers. Yeah, I got done playing football at like 12:30 in the morning, and I got back up because I normally start my work at like maybe like 6 a.m. in the morning. So I got up at like 5:45, and I just worked for 5 hours. And like when people still wondering like if I make money from YouTube, bro, like seriously, and I'll say this again for the last time, guys, if I was making like a good amount of cheese from YouTube, bro, trust me, I'll be giving you guys daily vlogs. Because for me to do daily vlogs and do like fun things is really easy. For me, I find vlogging like really easy. The only thing I would ever want to improve on is like how to understand my camera and do better cinematography and whatever, then yeah. But like to get content and just to talk to y'all and just find stuff and just to find stuff is like really easy. So because you guys see like maybe I put out like 2 vlogs a week, you know that it's not something that's like, yo. But I would tell you though, for any hobbyist, anyone who wants to do YouTube, you can if you like making videos and you like just enjoying life and doing whatever, then do YouTube, because I can guarantee you as a Jamaican, at the end of the month, you can at least pay up like a water bill or a light bill or something. You can pay a bill. I can definitely tell you that. But like for me right now, it's not on that level where I can just quit my job. Hell no. Kingston is like really expensive. Like I got kids to feed. That don't make no sense, bro. But yeah, like the purpose of my video is not to rant or anything like that. It's just to tell you guys, like, please just check the information. Go to the channels and get information so you guys can know. You know, thinking about that, just doing, if you like doing videos to enjoy yourself. Like my sister, she's doing her YouTube videos and it's for a really good reason. Like guys, check her out. It's IMMIKNZ. Check her out because she's doing it for a really good reason. Why? My sister does makeup videos, and my sister is the type of person like normally she would get up in the day, like just on a random day, I'll just see her putting on makeup. Like big man thing, she just put on makeup and I'm like, okay. So that for her is a hobby. It's something that she already enjoys. So she decided to start a YouTube channel to do it not just for making money. She not do it for the like. She do it because she naturally love it. And if it can make something out of it, then why not? For me, it's pretty much on the same wavelength. Because I woke up last year telling myself like, yo, I'm gonna try to enjoy life. I'm gonna try to travel and enjoy my country, because I speak to people from all over the world. When I went to work in the US, I met people in my restaurant that I was working at, and they took honeymoons in Jamaica and they knew places that I never knew. Oh Jesus Christ, Capo. Man, you just love hug me. You're gonna take a shower and I hope you're hugging me just as hard when it's shower time, alright? Yeah, so like, and I was like, yo, what the hell? I need to go whatever. And in that same vein and that same thought, I'm like, okay, why not just do a few YouTube videos and, you know, be an ambassador for my country. At the same time, if I make $1 from it, then that wouldn't hurt. The only downside, of course, is that I'm going to have to, how can I say, I'm going to have to, you know, put in work and edit videos. But I realize it's something that I really do enjoy doing anyway. I enjoy doing videos. But let me show you something, guys. Check this out. This is my soursop tree. Well, I didn't plant it, of course not, but yeah, I'll just call it mine. So you got the soursops there, and this soursop tree does really well. I'll tell you a funny thing. Like a couple years ago, maybe 2 years ago, they were building that house over there, and there were some workers, and I generally kind of I used to help them, like give them ice and then type of something there. And like they started coming over into the yard and trying to pick soursop. So I got mad one day and I just chopped all the soursop off, and then it just stopped growing. It just literally stopped growing, but then now it's growing back again. I just love these dogs. If there's nowhere on earth I can't find love, it's here. This place I can definitely find a little bit of love. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go shower these dogs really quick. Come on. You know the cool thing about vlogs, I can always look back and I can say, oh, they really are growing. Because I remembered looking back on Capo's vet trips. Like, to me, Capo isn't growing in my eyes. When I look back on his vet trips, I'm like, yo, look at this boy. Look at this handsome man. Capo is at least easily now 45 pounds, and she's definitely like 50 little. I love you too, bro. All right, so Lottie lost her color. She lost her color. Well, her color is too big for her. So what I'm gonna do is, Capo, chill, man. I'm gonna bathe her in the sink because she's still small enough to fit in the sink. And then these two, I'll show you me bathing them on the leash and show you how nasty he is. He doesn't like to take a shower. Nope. Okay, so she's definitely not a teacup pup, but she fits. All right, shower time. She's the one who will cry. She would like literally get like really frustrated with showering. All right, so I had my laundry room closed up, so like you guys couldn't really see before, but yeah. She's somewhat calm now. I guess she was afraid of the water jet because I normally use like the stream, like the pressured hose. And she seems okay with this, so I'm gonna go give her a quick soap up. So guys, she seems pretty chill. She's pretty relaxed now. I guess she prefers it this way. But guys, let me tell you something really quick about like how I pre-life. You know, speaking about working and jobs and whatever. I remember years ago I was working in this I mean it was like a summer job type of thing, but I was packing like this thing called Cenopods, and like legit every single week we were getting like $4,000 at a time. $4,000 per week. You know, packing these things. Simple job. I'm not gonna lie, it was really simple and really easy. But one thing I learned from a guy in the place, he was like, yo, brother, one thing you must know, any job you go, make sure you left the job, you have something for sure for the job. Meaning that even if you work for a job for a year or a month, make sure you can have a fun. You can see a fun from your job. Meaning that there's something to show that your money never spent out in a liquor. Because to be quite honest, you can't really show back nothing of your life through liquor, because that piss out down. So from that day on, I was like, yo, just so you know, that really make a lot of sense. So I was like really glad that I experienced working somewhere like that. I didn't get much job experience from it, but I did get like life experiences from it. And that tied into my philosophy of anything that you're doing, like please make sure that it has like a spin. It's a spin effect. Like my dogs here, like I bought these dogs because I love dogs. You see me? They give me a sense of love and a sense of happiness, and most importantly, protection. But at the end there, like when I got these dogs, like everyone sees them and like, oh, when you're selling puppies, when you're doing this, when you're doing that. Like I have so many sales of puppies, or people, you know, well, people will make their little requests because everyone want to buy something until it comes to the money. But like at the end of the day, anything can pop off. I can make a 10 grand from a puppy or something, whatever the case is, I can make something from it. So like, y'all don't really sit there and think like I'm gonna really kick back and be expecting like YouTube or whatever. You guys have to be like doing your hustling, and please remember, like any job that you're doing, make sure you have something to show from it, yo. Like no work for nobody and have nothing can show back in our life. That make no sense at all. Guys, I think I left one of my dog collars over by the beehives, and there goes Mocha about to take her shower. And Judah just came home. Hey Judah.
Hey.
Oh no, watch out. I'm afraid of water. Capo! Capo! Capo, come here! Alright, come on. So I'm using like the pressure hose, but I'm not doing it like too hard. You see she getting crazy and shit? Hey, calm down. Good girl. Good girl.
We're at the crotch wash.
I think this is very inappropriate. I'm zooming in on her.
Oh my gosh, really? You must have done
Wash skin out some. Wash up skin out some.
Wash our front.
Scrub a dub dub. Squeaky clean. That sweet cookie, huh?
Oh, she's doing so well with water. Remember the first time you had a bather?
Yeah.
Now it's just like, ah, okay.
Yeah, actually give them a bath.
Such a good girl. This a troublemaker here. In bed already?
That's a very.
She did well too? She did well too? In a washroom? Yo, Capo camera move now.
I'm so.
Capo camera ready, you know, come look on Capo. Come look on. Come look on.
Yeah. Capo.
Cappuccino.
No, he's playing jealous right now. Look at the
Afraid of water.
Fire!
Well, hello.
You're nasty.
Come here, come on. Come.
Look at this man.
Oh god.
You can't get in the shower.
Wow, car feeling bad today.
Cute. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute.
Tell them that you're a river. People say, Capone like country life.
Uptown.
Come on, boy.
What is that hard life enough for you?
Come on.
Run, boy. I'm trying to get your body wet. Work that. Let me see you drip sweat. Don't
This
play
is so
with me.
inappropriate.
Work them hips. Run, boy. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. There you go.
You like that back.
Yeah. That balls wash.
Balls wash.
You like that too much in the Capone. Stand up, please. Can I get tall, man?
Yeah.
You flash or go? You know done it. You're just getting started.
It won't be long, bro. That's 5 minutes.
Ooh, does he like that?
You have to make sure to not be them in the kitchen and them color, you see me? So some people not wash their net back. So you look at net back, get wash. And take time in the face, you know? Got 2 girls you want to have in the house now, so it smell good. Look at this go. Float your weapon, the girl them say it smell wrong.
You gotta say it for sure. What you did, bitch? Breeze, babe, breeze.
Sorry.
You get one job.
One job.
One job.
Say it with your chest. You make more chest better than your dog? Liam.
Like father, like son.
Fuck.
That's not nice, Judah. Apologize.
Say mother like daughter, but then I got you still in your preteens.
Forever young.
Come on, do it for the camera. Come on, I'm not about this though.
Not today, boy. Boy, him love getting belly.
I was in my bed, so I feel a bit uncomfortable.
Check the antenna. Brush around it. You can't clean it all yourself. You're not cleaning it. And you can buzz him. Do a coin first.
I wanted this to be flagged as dog pornography.
Oh my gosh. There you out.
Right, what's your next one? Kiko.
Cock up
Kiko,
there. I
Kiko,
don't know,
Kiko.
yeah, look.
It's a boy still.
No.
Well, you know.
Don't. Let me get under your hand.
As you see one woman, so.
This is his man. Father like some, babe?
Yep.
Yeah?
For the last part.
What you know?
Come on, get jiu-jitsu right away, you know.
Oh, okay. I want to be on the run and can't leave.
Yeah, you need a sun dry boo.
Yes, it's so hot. I'm going to the shade.
What you doing?
In the shade.
Let's take longer for doing. I'm going to say that I want to pull it.
This thing really does steady it, you know. Like if I was holding it in my hand would be like,
Bro.
but it just it really keeps it steady.
I don't want to water your phone.
Look at those back legs shaking. My lick Steven me.
In my beard and in my still focus on lick my foot. What does that mean in doggy language? Is that pretty? Just. Good boy. If you have a hot boy scar,
What about alarm for?
12 o'clock and it's your ringtone.
Yeah, like if my alarm isn't my ringtone, I'm not going to answer it. Sorry. I have to think somebody calling me to actually wake up. Is that right?
okay, you done.
No lie.